Alright, this is the Zippo outdoor hand warmer. It lasts 6 to 12 hours depending on how much you fill. First off, you take off this top, that thing. You take off this catalytic burner, so it's exposed like that. Take your Zippo lighter fluid. You fill it in this little container here. Halfway, there's lines, 2 lines. Halfway is 6 hours. Fully to the top is 12 hours. After that, you're going to put that catalytic burner back on. Okay. Burner back on. Take your Zippo lighter, you're going to ignite right here, 15 to 30 seconds until you confirm a flame. Put the top on, slide it into this bag here, you're good to go. 6 to 12 hours, halfway 6, fully is 12.